Hi, during this short video I'm going to show you how to create events using TeamKinetic. So an event is a group of opportunities. It serves two purposes. One is it makes it easier for volunteers who are interested in just taking part in a particular event, that they don't mind what type of opportunity it is. They can search for the event and then it will list all the opportunities related to that event. The second purpose is it also gives you a separate kind of mini web page, a mini events page, which you can advertise then and put on posters, for example, which will just, if people go to it initially, it will just show opportunities and information related to that event. Now, normally what you would do is create the event, then you create the opportunities afterwards. And as part of the process of creating the opportunities, it gives you the option of linking it through to an event. This time we're doing it a bit backwards. What we're going to do is create the event and then attach opportunities that have already been created to that event. It sounds a bit more complicated than it is, but just bear with me. So if we go to manage opportunities, your events, add an event, and we'll call it the big hostel event. It creates, I can change this details at the end, but it shows the web address of the event web page. So if I directed anybody to this web page, it would just show information related to the event. Add new event. Okay. Now at this point here, I can create, add images. So say I can upload a cover image. Find a picture. Quite a large picture, take a little while to upload, and you probably want to use the YHA logo against the event, but just leave it as it is. I type in some information here about the event. Okay, I can also upload any files, so maybe it's a map of where people need to meet for the event, or maybe it's it could be absolutely anything and everything. Once I'm happy with the events page, go back to my events. So it's listing my event here that I've created, but I haven't got any opportunities linked through to that event. So normally at this point I'd start creating the opportunities, but this particular example, the opportunities are already created. So if I go down here, I see the opportunity here. I want to add this to my event. So go to opportunity details, click on the edit button. As you probably noticed, this is the same information you enter in when you're creating the opportunity. If I go down to the field that says opportunity part of an event and I say yes, I can then select my event and save the opportunity. If I do that now for another opportunity, let's go down to hostel placement. This one here, opportunity details, edit, go down to part of larger event. Where is it? There it is. Yes, select my event and save. Now if I go to create a new opportunity, this is the way you normally do it, you create the event first, then the opportunity. You'll see when I get down to that same question, part of a larger event, yes, it gives me the same option here, big hostel event. Okay. So that's basically it. Once you've created your event, it appears now with my two opportunities that I've added to that particular event. These buttons across here, I can close the event, which means it's no longer available, obviously, as an event. The opportunities will still be available, but the event will no longer be available. I can delete the event. I can download all information from any volunteer on this event, which is really useful. So say, for example, I've got two opportunities here and I've got 30 volunteers on each of those opportunities. By clicking on this download button, it will download it to kind of an Excel format where you can take that along on the day, because you might not be, if it doesn't take place at the hostel, you take it along on the day and it lists all the names of everybody who's taken part in that event and what roles they're going to actually be doing. This little link button here, this shows me what the events page is going to look like. So here it is, the information I entered in and the opportunities which are linked through to that event. So I hope that's useful. Thank you.